All right, so we're gonna paint this extremely cute cow because I'm Irish and all I ever think about is cows and all I drink is milk and all I eat is beef. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna have fun with this one, okay? We're going to start with a very light underpainting and we're going to basically sketch in the cow. So we're just trying to find our proportions and make sure that everything fits in. We're gonna start with the left ear. I don't want to get into any details yet. We're just sketching now, just sketching. As if we're using a pencil, as if we're just in our little notepad, in our little sketchbook, just having a little bit of fun. All right. So that's just the basic outline. And I know now that it all fits in. Nostrils. Drawing in his left eye. Now I'm just filling in all the places where his fur is orange. All right, so that's basically, yeah, we're starting to introduce some color. I'm just gonna add in the background now. We're gonna go with a nice cool kind of probably bluish background. Just adding a bit of blue, wipe it all away. Okay, we're gonna start introducing some of the white tones. Okay, so that's Mr. Cow now. He is a cow and we are the people. Yeah, it's coming along pretty well. I'm pretty happy with the colors. Yeah, like, I'm sure it'll be fine. I don't know. You know, who knows? All right, so we are looking pretty good. His eyes are very red. I'm going to change that soon. He's not a demon, I swear. He's a normal cow. He's not a demon cow. But no, it's going good. We're just starting to add more thicker paint now so that we can paint over what we have. Yeah, we're doing good. Okay, so yeah, we've added some more thick paint. I'm kind of getting stuck into a bit of a negative cycle at the moment. I feel like it's bad. And then every so often I'm like, oh, it's actually really good. And then I'm like, no, it's terrible. It's so weird. Like, you know, I really think that, like, I don't know, man. You know? Because when you're painting, you can't hide, you know? It's like, I don't know. It's so weird. But like, I don't know. We'll just keep going. Hopefully we'll pull it together. Like, I suppose it's good. I don't even know. And that's it, guys. That's our little cute cow painted. I got over my downward spiral and I think it's okay. I'm happy enough with it. Don't know what happened. Definitely got negative towards the end. Thought that it was terrible. But we got through it and we survived. And the cow has been created.